Hey you lovely readers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Read with Megha. How you all guys doing? A very happy weekend to all of you. I hope you're reading a lot and enhancing your knowledge this weekend. So these days Amazon and Flipkart sale is going on and I hope you're enjoying the deals and discounts, especially on books and various titles, and I hope you have not failed to grab some of your wish list and TBRs as well. So today I am here to suggest or showcase some books that are available at really cheap prices or are available at really heavy discounts that might interest you as well. So let's dive into the video. And for the instance, this sale is till today, that is 9th of October, but no guilt if you are not able to grab some of the deals, because another sale, the Dussehra sale, will be live soon from 12th of October to 15th of October. So you can try your luck there as well. So let me start showing you the books now. I'll put the picture or prices here only, so that you can check the prices and the titles, covers, etc. And I will also give the links of the books down in description. That will help you to find them really easily. So the first book that excited me the most was The Song of Achilles by authoress Madeline Miller. This is one book that is much hyped and many of us might have read it as well, or we have this in our TBRs. So I have never seen this book going so down in prices and having such high discounts. The paperback version of this book is available at 416 rupees. I know it is not that cheap for a book, but this is the most discount I have ever seen on this book specially. So let me start showing you the next book. The next one is not just a single title, but a box set of 4 motivational books, and the best selling motivational books, I must say, that is Think and Grow Rich, The Richest Man in Babylon, The Power of Subconscious Mind, and How to Win Friends and Influence People. I guess many of you have read these books or some of these titles, but these motivational titles are something that are worth investing in. So I suggest you to have a look on these titles. And the next title is The Rudest Book Ever, that is the national bestseller by author Shweta Ghanwar. The paperback version of this book is available at as cheap as 110 rupees. I am going for this book. I already have the Kindle version of this book, but seeing this book available at such low prices and high discounts, I can't stop myself to buy this book. So the next title of this video is one that every reader has in their TBRs or wish list. That is The Book Thief by author Marcus. The paperback version of this book is available at 205 rupees. I'll think to get this book, but I'm not really sure about it. So the next title is something that my videos are incomplete if I don't talk about it, and that is the Harry Potter box set. Everyone I know are the biggest fan of J.K. Rowling or Harry Potter box set or Harry Potter books, movies, etc. So I must say this is the right time to grab the deal, and the whole box set is available around 2600 rupees. I already have the box set, but I have suggested many people to check it out and see if it fit in their budget or not. So another best-selling books of all time is at a really heavy discount that needs no introduction at all. That is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. The book is available at as cheap as 128 rupees. I don't have a copy of this book and I am ordering this book straight away right now. And the next book is the Divergent series, and that is available at around 850 rupees for all 4 books. That is a good deal, I guess. So two of the historic fiction, best-selling historic fiction are available at a really cheap price and a heavy discount. The first one is Man's Search for Meaning, and the second one is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. I have both the books, but I suggest if you are interested in reading this title, you can grab these books. This is a really great time to have these best selling books at a really cheap prices. So I was saving the best two titles for the end, and the first one of them is Shadow and Bone Trilogy. The paperback version of it is available as cheap as 1000 rupees. It is now a successful Netflix series as well. So if you wish to read this is the best time to buy such box set, and especially this box set as well. So the last book of this video is Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. I hope you have already read this book, and if not, that you might have heard of it for sure. The paperback version of this is available at 277 rupees. It is the cheapest price I have ever seen for this book. Usually this book was selling at around 300 and 350 rupees. So it is a good deal, not a great deal but a good deal, of course. So here my suggestion ends. So these were the main suggestions of this video. There are more such books and tons of books that are available at much cheap rates and higher discounts in the sale, and especially the books by author Khushwant Singh, Ruskin Bond and Sudha Murthy. Their books are doing much well in terms of prices and discounts, so you can check those authors as well, as these are all-time favorite authors of readers and that excite us very much. So I'll take a leave for this video. We'll meet you guys really soon. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, comment down below your favorite suggestion of this video and the favorite book deal you like the most, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram with the same username, that is Read with Megha, and I will meet you guys really soon. Thanks for watching.